Alright, 2-1, and this is the first semi-final between Dubai Stallions and whatever Usher's team's name is. Desert Vipers.
How did you remember the team's name?
And here comes Alian and Ikam. Now I'm going to do serious commentary because this is a serious game, and what a turn from Umar. Here comes Usher.
Look your next tournament.
Usher. Oh, this is beautiful from Usher. He breezes into the box here. Oh, he gets it past the one. Can he take the shot? Can he get the shot? Oh no, it's too wide. And Alian versus Usher. This is the premium battle. And Alian shoots. Oh, so nearly in. Here comes Alian. What can he do over here? Can he test them for a shot? Alian. Still Alian. Here's Arash now. Arash. Pressure on Arash. This is beautiful pressing from the Desert Vipers. And here's Usher. He's in now. And this is a beautiful block from that one. Usher. Two side to think about. Here's Arash now. Arash's ball into Alian. This is beautiful vision. And Alian makes it 1-0 and draws the first blood of the game. From Alian. Alian. Oh, this is beautiful vision to Arash. Arash, can he control and can he shoot? This is beautiful from Usher. Block from Arash. And oh, what a touch from Alian. He's just doing this so brilliantly throughout. And he gets the goal as well. He is absolutely dominating. Alian on full domination mode. Can you please do those celebrations on camera?
Yeah, sure.
To him. Set Alian. Oh, what a absolute nutmeg, but didn't mean it. Oh, there's no defense. Oh my god, this is brilliant. And Umar clears it out. Guys, I was moaning before I recorded to Umar. Oh, this is to Dhawan. Oh, Umar can get there. He does.
Goal.
What a goal.
Good, Umar.
This is. And he brings life back. 2-1. Here's Alian. Oh, this is brilliant from Alian. Here's Alian. Oh, beautiful vision into Arash. Oh, that's a brilliant goal. That's a beautiful goal. And here's Usher. Usher. Oh, what a save from. Here comes Alian. Shoots. Oh, that's a brilliant save from Usher. Jumps and just does the job extravagantly. Sahil, please move. And here's Usher. Ball into Umar. Oh, so close to be a second. It's 3-1 currently. Arash. Can he get a ball in? No, he can't. That part. Here's Alian. Alian. Oh, he cannot get through Usher. Can Usher test him with a shot now? Oh, that's a beautiful nutmeg. Shoots hand. Penalty. Here's Usher. Can he bring life back in this game? Shoots and that's just beautiful. Close. Oh, hey, gives it to Usher. Finally, Usher has a chance. Shoots! Oh, beautiful save. Doing the job. Doing the trick. And he still has the ball somehow and he wins it for Usher. And Usher clears it out. Corner. Guys, Sahil is just crazy. Can you laugh like that on camera? He's crazy, guys. Hey. I was just having my jokes, guys. I could not realize. Here's him. Oh! How has he missed that? That was one of the greatest chances to equalize. Umar starts the game. Here's Usher. Oh, back towards Umar. Umar against Alian and Arash. Oh, Usher gets it back. Here's Usher. Here's Usher. Here's still Usher. Usher, can he get a pass into Umar? Or can he shoot? Can he do something at least? Useless.
No. My dad watched one of our matches and he was like, stop.
Here's Usher. Oh, so close. Oh, now there's the counter attack. Can Alian do this? Alian. Can he extend his lead? You bet he cannot. This is brilliant from Usher. Here comes Alian. 6 minutes are left in this play. 6 minutes should be enough to get a goal or two. Here's Umar. Oh, Arash, can he extend the lead? It's almost done now for the Desert Vipers. This is brilliant from whatever they. Here comes Arash. Here comes O. Here's Usher on the counter. Can he get a goal back for his team? This is a 2v, 1v everyone situation for Usher. He gives what a pass! Oh, that was so near! Can he give a pass? No, he can't. Here's Umar. Usher says, please, man. Umar! Oh my God, this is just absolutely history from Asif. His ball was going straight to goal, man. Here comes Aliyan. 4-2. Can he make it 5-2? Oh, that was nearly in as well. Here's Omar. No, it's Usher. Shut the hell up, Shahid. It's Usher. Here's Omar now. Oh my God, who it is? And not out. And Aliyan goes through. This should be an easy third to extend the lead. And you bet he does. From Asif. Usher, can he manage to get a shot? No. Can Umar get a shot? No. Can Umar get a shot? Oh, he does. But this is brilliant from Asif. The ball is with Aliyan. Here's Aliyan. Here's Aliyan. Brilliant. Brilliant whatever skill he did. And here's Usher now. Oh, Usher, he gets through 2. He gets 2, 3. And 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! Started. Here's Usher. Oh, so close, Usher. Ikam. Oh. I don't know what to call that shot. Okay, started. Here's Aliyan. Here's Aliyan. Here's Umar. Umar, can he get one back? Okay, we are checking. Okay, guys, that was foul. Check from VAR. And it's a free kick now. And oh! It's our own goal from Dhawan. But one more goal needed. Here's Aliyan. Here's Aliyan. Here's Usher. Can he get the goal back? He does! It's 6-6! It's such a disgrace to this game! But this idiot has scored! Side move. Start. Usher. First penalty of the game. Yeah. Beautifully in. On for the second one. Carry. Beautifully in. Against Aliyan now. Second penalty for Desert Vipers. And this is beautifully saved. Third. Asif. Against Usher. And he saved it.
Hadi full power in, bro.
Can Hadi do something? Oh, that was a good pen. Rush for the second one. Oh, it's saved. Come. 1 out of 3 for both. Him. Saved. That one. Shoots. Brilliant save. Usher. Can he score this? Aliyan fully concentrated. Oh! Aliyan now needs to be scoring this. Can he?